Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
The Aussie dollar moved down as we predicted this week. I hope you guys took the trade. The price is now trading in a neutral zone. Right in the middle of this channel, I think, is forming. So we have to proceed with caution. If we look at 2013, the last time the Fed announced a taper after its QE program due to the housing bubble crisis, the price of Aussie dollar dumped all the way down to the bottom of the channel. Right. Let me just pull up the weekly so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So it was around here, right? The event was known as taper tantrum if you look back into history, right? And in the whole of, here, taper tantrum, the Fed starts the taper, and then November, December is down, right? So if price follows the price action this time around, I think we should see a red next 2 months. However, this time around, I think the market may be already expecting the taper for quite some time, so it may have already been priced in. So, but regardless of whether it's priced in, the bias for Aussie dollar for this week is pretty neutral. There's not much value to enter a trade here. The move is not big. You have to set your stop loss very small, which could stop you out very easily. So another way is to reduce your position size. This way you can give more buffer to your stop loss, prevent getting wicked out, and then still participate in the move. So for the bear case, I think price is due for some consolidation upwards before dumping down to the 61.8, which is around here, or even to the bottom of channel where the 71.2. Let's pull out the feed retracement. Yeah, 61.8 or 78.6 at the bottom of the channel. And then for the bull case, right? If the Fed taper is indeed priced in, the market will be slightly more bullish from these levels. And I think the 0.75792 and the 0.768 levels are in play. So a point to note or a point to learn is that if you control your risk, and even if you are direction neutral, but you just control your risk and time your entry perfectly with a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, there is still profit to be made. Yeah, making money in the markets has always been mind over matter. If you control what you can, right, and just trade your system consistently, we will see profits in the long term.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.